Intuiflow is the first and only demand-driven MRP tool built natively for NetSuite. It provides NetSuite users with a more effective and efficient way of managing their inventories and supply chains within NetSuite. Within Intuiflow, items are managed with what's called a demand-driven MRP buffer, as we can see here. These DDMRP buffers dynamically resize themselves throughout time in response to actual consumption, thus giving us a way to ensure that our actual inventory levels are closely aligned with the demand that's coming in from the market. And at the aggregate level, as well as all the way down to the item level, we can monitor our historical buffer performances and ensure that our actual on-hand inventory levels are closely aligned with what our targets are. The Intuiflow Planner's workbench gives users clear visibility into what needs their attention on a daily basis compared to what doesn't. It's ordered by priority, and the color coordination instantly shows me the highest priority replenishment items versus the lowest priority. Therefore, I don't have competing signals. And it's very easy to execute on these recommendations in mass via the accept recommended orders window. Intuiflow users can have various different types of products, from purchase parts, make parts, and distributed parts. And it's easy to accept all of their recommendations in mass. We simply select all of the items that we want to replenish. And then by clicking this Generate Orders button, all of the corresponding purchase orders, work orders, and transfer orders would be created within NetSuite to then follow whatever workflow or process a client has established around those transactions today. Intuiflow will also monitor the due dates of various transactions and alert us as to when too much demand is coming due before enough supply is going to be available to satisfy that demand. So if we're projecting stockouts in the future based on the timing of supply and demand, Intuiflow will alert that for us, again, in a prioritized manner, such that we can take action on only those items that need our attention today. Demand-driven MRP is helping manufacturers and distributors around the world achieve dramatically better results across their supply chain, and Intuiflow delivers those results natively within NetSuite.